Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how can we create embed link with pivot using global parameters. Let's get started. For seeing how can we create the embed link with pivot using global parameters, we will go to the hamburger menu, and in the hamburger menu, we'll click on the plus icon on the right side of the dashboard, and we will create a dashboard with the name new summary dashboard, and we will click on create, and here we will go to the pivot component in the widget panel. Type I'll keep as table only, and the dataset I will select as sales.ds, and in the dataset column I'll drag and drop country in rows, and I will drag and drop product line in columns. So once I do this, I'll save and exit, and you'll see that we have created a pivot widget, and I'll save this. Once I do this, I will go to the hamburger menu again, and I'll click on the plus icon again, and I will create a new dashboard with the name new detailed dashboard, and I'll click on create. Now once I create another dashboard, I will go to the table component in the widget panel. The dataset here I will select as parameter.ds, and once I select the dataset as parameter, one dialog box opens up, and I'll click on the submit over here, and I'll select all the dataset columns, and I'll click on save and exit. So once you'll see that we have created the table widget, now I'll go to the embed option, which is on the top right hand side of the dashboard, and I will click on the generate option. And once I click on the generate option, you'll see that the embed link has been generated successfully. So I'll scroll down, and here in the internal embed, I will be making a small change, and that is that I'll be removing this last portion of the link, and I will be replacing it with the link that I have with me. So, and I'll be making this available in the comment section below the video so that you can take it from there and perform the function, and I'll paste it over here. Now, one thing which is very important to check here is that you have to check the spelling of the columns that you have mentioned in the link, because if the spelling or any character is missing or is incorrect, the link will not work. So you just have to be careful about that. Once I do this, I'll copy this. I'll click on this copy icon, and I'll cancel this. Now I will go back to the previous dashboard, which was the new summary dashboard. So I will click on the hamburger menu again, and I'll go to the list view. That is the second option on the right side of the dashboard, and I'll click on save and exit. And I'll search the new summary dashboard and double click on it. And I'll go to the edit mode of the dashboard, and I'll go to the edit option of the pivot widget, and I'll scroll down, and here in the hyperlink option, instead of drill data, I will select custom link, and I will paste the internal embed link that I had copied in the new detail dashboard. And once I paste that internal embed link over here, I'll click on save and exit, and I'll save it in the dashboard and go to the preview mode to see the final changes happening. And I'll click, say country is Australia and the product line is classic car. So I'll click on the cell over here, and you will see that we are being redirected to the second dashboard, and we can see the data for country Australia and the product line classic cars. Now this is the same product line and the country which we had selected in this dashboard. Same way, if I click on Belgium and classic cars, I'll click on the cell, you will see that the data for Belgium and the product line classic cars, the one which we selected in the first dashboard, you can see the data for that in the second dashboard. So this is how we can create an embed link with pivot using global parameters. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, please mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.